This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm using my Hawkeye Firefly 8S 4K action camera, $100 action camera, and this little $7 microphone. Giving them a quick test. I'm in my backyard. It's a sunny day out there. I'm in the shade. I'm giving it a test because I'm considering buying either a GoPro Hero 8 Black or a DJI Osmo Action. Both are, $279 to $300 action cameras. That's a crow passing by. And they're very nice. They've been discounted substantially over the last few months. We're currently at April 15th, 2020, and they've gone down in price by at least $100 each one of them. I would like to get a new action camera, but the problem is the video quality that I see of the YouTube videos, the sample video, 4K video, is usually of a very poor quality by these skateboard aficionados and bicycle riders on YouTube. When I look at them on my 4K TV, and I have several of those 4K TVs at home, and the video looks like okay, not great, just okay. So I don't want to buy a GoPro Hero 8 Black or a DJI Osmo Action because the video's okay. I understand if you need stabilization. I don't need stabilization. I have a $80 gimbal for stabilization. But if you need stabilization, just want to put that little camera everywhere and just walk around, it's a good option. I'm considering buying, I'm sort of leaning towards a GoPro Hero 8. Both of them have poor sound. Typically I use, again, a little $8, $7 microphone that you buy online, and with my Hawkeye Firefly 8S. So what do you think? My conundrum, when I look at video on YouTube, the quality of the video is pretty much not, high quality. A lot of folks out there try their best, but after they, their poor photography and their poor, delivery, and then they upload it to YouTube and it becomes compressed, it looks pretty bad. It's sad but true. Okay. So maybe you can suggest a link that I can check out to see some good quality sample videos of either of those two products. So what do you think? I'm in my backyard. Again, it's April 15th, 2020, and I'm shooting with my Hawkeye Firefly 8S, a $100 action camera. Typically I shoot this with my little Hohem iSteady 2 Pro gimbal, which is an $80 gimbal, and I do pretty good. So that's a $180 combination, and it seems to be working out for me. Okay, most action cameras are very poor in low light situations, and what do you think? What do you think I should do? If you were to buy one or the other, just feel free to note in the comments what you suggest. If you have any questions about this camera, my Hawkeye Firefly 8S. And by the way, I took it apart and fixed certain parts. The microphone was inside, it was backwards, and some other issues it had. And it is what it is. It's a budget action camera. So I'm going to go inside and shoot some more sample video. Let's go in there. So I'm now inside my house. I still have the little $7 microphone that I bought along with the camera. So this is, again, the Firefly 8S by Hawkeye. It's a generic, decent quality 4K, action camera. I would love to buy a DJI Osmo Action or a GoPro Hero 8, black, of course, not purple, orange, or green. So what do you think of the video inside? Again, I'm in my home, only lit by a window to my left, and I'm in one of my dining rooms here. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, this is an interior sample. You saw an exterior sample. Not a lot of movement. I'm not bouncing down the street in my little motor scooter or motorcycle. Skateboard. I don't have a skateboard. I never had a skateboard. I had a motorcycle. I love my motorcycle quite a bit. So from Fort Worth, Texas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And what do you think? Do you think I should buy a $300, $299 GoPro Hero 8 or a $279 DJI Osmo Action, which is the current pricing for their products? You know, as of today, mid-April 2020, tax day. Hope you're doing good. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have time, leave your kind and friendly comments below. And suggestions. You can say, hey, I really like this action camera. If you're a manufacturer, one of those Chinese manufacturers, in fact, 99.9% of the manufacturers out there are from China. If you want to send me a camera to review, I'd be more happy to do that. This channel is now monetized. I'll be more than happy to check out your camera, see what give it a spin around the park here, around my house and backyard, do some close-ups, see if it meets my needs. I'll be honest. I'll be straightforward. Okay? And don't forget to send me something to record it with, a little microphone, because most of your microphones on these cameras are absolute junk. But maybe yours is A+. If it is A+, send it to me. I'd love to find out. From Fort Worth, Texas. Hope you're having a great day. It's I think it's April 15th, tax day, 2020, 1920. Good luck with that. Testing out my Hawkeye Firefly 8S action camera that I bought about a couple years ago. Hope you're doing fantastic during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I hope you're healthy. Hope everybody in your family's healthy. And to all the first responders, all the people working on the front lines, the medical technicians, the nurses, the doctors, people at the grocery store. Hope you're in a convenience store, at the gas stations. Hope you're all healthy and you're doing okay. Don't forget to wear a mask. Social distancing, I think we should do that for quite a while more. At least, you know, until California and other states say, hey, it's okay. But still, I would still wear a mask for a while, just to make sure, you know, give yourself a little insurance that, hey, you know, we started hanging out with people now, and all of a sudden people are getting sick again. Luckily, I had my mask on, and I did not get sick. Okay? Advice to you folks, okay? Some simple advice to all you folks in the United States of America, okay? Again, I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.